Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily restart your iPhone. So actually, this process is quite easy. We have two ways of doing so. The force restart, when we force our phone to be restarted when it's, for example, frozen or lagged, or the second way, using just the power button, our fingers, and just a simple gesture. So here, as you can see, we do have the volume up button and volume down button over here. Here we do have power button, and at first we need to click the power button, click the volume up button, then click volume down button, and then click and hold the power button till we see the Apple logo appear on our screen. Meanwhile, our phone will be turned off and then turn on. It doesn't have to be that quick, but you should see this menu. Volume up, volume down, and power. You should see now the slide to power off menu. Now our phone is powered off. You have to hold only the power button. Now we see the Apple logo, so I can now just lower the finger and wait for a moment until our phone boots up. It's that easy. Now our phone, as you can see, is booted up and it's restarted. It's easy. Let me unlock it. And now to turn this phone off, like just restart it manually without this force starting thing, we can just hold the volume down button and power button at the same time and click, slide here over our finger this power button to the right to power off our phone. Now we have to wait a few seconds, for example 10 seconds, to let our phone completely turn off. And after this time we have to just hold the power button until we do see the Apple logo. Usually we do use the force restart only when our phone is frozen, but actually this is up to you. Now, as you can see, we have the Apple logo, and now our phone will boot up. Actually, it's that easy. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And as for this video, it's it. Goodbye!